It happened. Toyota's solid-state battery finally hit the market. What do you guys think the world would look like in 2030? One thing I can assure you for the future is that by 2030, electric vehicles will be dominating the roads in every part of the world, or at least 60% of the world. I swear, if I get 1,000 miles of range, I wouldn't wait for 2030. Automobiles know this fact that the coming world needs a clean environment, a pollution-free environment, which is only possible by electric vehicles. And I know this fact that you guys need pure information, and that's why I'm here for you. So guys, welcome to eMotion. In today's video, you'll get to know all the details about Toyota's solid-state battery, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Solid-state batteries will prove to be significant in these prospects. Able to provide fast charging and very long distance, solid-state batteries are considered the next success in the development of electric vehicles. Toyota is one of the many companies investing in solid-state batteries. The global battery market is expected to reach $294.1 million by 2027, rising by a market growth of 35% during the forecast period. Due to the increase in energy density, lithium-ion batteries are considered one of the most promising technologies for energy conservation. LIBs are used in a variety of applications, including portable electronics, electric and hybrid vehicles, and fixed energy storage systems, among others. Due to its low cost and high sodium availability, sodium-ion batteries have recently gained much interest in the LIB replacement for energy storage devices. Aluminium-ion batteries are a viable option due to their low cost, good environment, and availability in the world, as well as 3 pairs of electron redox that provide competitive saving power compared to single-electron lithium-ion storage. Traditional LIBs that use organic liquid electrolytes have a negative value, which includes safety concerns and negative energy density. Due to the need for strong non-combustible electrolytes, which allow for significant improvements in power density, lithium solid batteries are expected to use lithium anode metal. Solid-state batteries are becoming increasingly attractive in the next generation of high-capacity batteries due to the addition of metal anodes. Lithium metal in particular has a certain theoretical capacity, low density, and very low electrical power of all metals. Solid-state batteries are considered to be safe and secure, provide longer life cycles, have a better energy density, and require less packaging than lithium-ion batteries with liquid electrolytes. As a result, SSBs have reached much attention in recent decades. For years, Toyota has had an eye on the solid-state sector and holds the highest number of SSB patents. However, Toyota has recently raised money after announcing its intention to invest more than $13.5 billion by 2030 to build next-generation batteries, including solid-state batteries. The Japanese car manufacturer claims that it aims to reduce the cost of its batteries by 30% or more by operating on batteries and improving energy efficiency. Toyota is now officially leading the charge for producing more solid-state batteries, which could be considered a game-changer for car manufacturers because they're extremely dense, fast-charging, and rarely catch fire. The company can use solid-state batteries in hybrid electric vehicles like the Prius. The company also offered a brief overview of the model battery-powered car. Toyota is one of the leading ICE companies that has vowed to go out of its way to install electricity, and the company's deep pockets can accelerate its efforts to develop stronger batteries. Another big advantage, unlike other companies on this list, Toyota is a mature company with a thriving business, which means that stock performance is less likely to be significantly affected by its SSB prospects, especially in the early stages of development. Since the global demand for electric vehicles is increasing, Toyota has also launched itself in the electric vehicles business. One of the great prospects for the development of the solid-state battery industry is the use of these batteries in electric vehicles by Toyota. As a result of the introduction of laws in favor by countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, China, Germany, and Japan, the global demand for electric vehicles is steadily growing. So how does Toyota's solid-state battery technology work? In terms of charging speed, the solid-state prototype has a clear advantage over existing lithium batteries at charging speeds ranging from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes. Worry charging may be a thing of the past for solid-state batteries. In terms of battery life, Toyota plans to maintain the performance of more than 90% of its solid-state batteries after 30 years of use. If this technology could be detected as quickly as possible, the performance of the circuit would exceed the 1 million miles of battery recently advertised by Tesla, the Ningde Era, GM, and so on. In terms of energy density, Toyota plans to increase the density of solid-state batteries to more than double the capacity of existing lithium batteries by 2025, which is expected to reach 450 watt-hours per kilogram. At that time, the range of electric vehicles with solid-state batteries will increase significantly compared to current petrol-powered cars. In terms of safety, solid-state batteries are solid electrolytes and do not contain flammable electrolytes and other materials. Therefore, safety will also be greatly improved. However, although the solid-state battery prototype has been introduced, Toyota believes that the real market-based application will not be until 2025. On the one hand, because the technology still needs to be upgraded, and on the other hand, costs are relatively high. Toyota engineers are reportedly repairing the anode and other battery components in order to further improve the durability and safety of batteries. Toyota hopes to mass-produce solid-state batteries by 2025. According to the Battery China Network, Toyota promotes the development of the provincial battery business through its partnership with Panasonic Battery and Taicing Energy Solutions Company. The company went into operation in April 2020, with Toyota owning 51% of its three-member board of directors, Panasonic owning 49%, led by Toyota Hoda Hiroaki. Toyota, the law-abiding carmaker, defends his bet, wants to improve, and invests more in old technology too. After all, the nickel metal hydride is not as state-of-the-art as solid-state batteries, but a bipolar battery shows that it's worth investing in. This is not to say that the real flesh of the news here about solid-state batteries is inappropriate. It just puts you in the position of a comprehensive Toyota battery upgrade program. Toyota has announced a $13.6 billion investment in battery technology, including but not limited to solid-state batteries, which is being distributed between research and development and manufacturing equipment. After all, Toyota has a long-term goal of maintaining battery development and in-house production, although it uses partners like Panasonic, and its solid state-of-the-art battery technology is no different. Judging by the details revealed by Toyota, the actual sale of solid-state batteries is not expected until 2025, and there are still some issues that need to be addressed, as technology needs to be continuously improved and costs still need to be reduced. Now, let's talk about the problems faced by Toyota. Let's discuss some of the market-blocking problems faced by them. The major problem every car maker, including Toyota, is facing is that the cost of producing a solid-state battery is very high. The construction of solid-state batteries requires significant research and development costs and the establishment of production facilities. It requires the use of sophisticated gear and the installation of high-performance solid battery production technology. It's difficult to form a stable, chemically stable electrolyte, yet a positive ion conductor between the two electrodes of a solid state. Compared to lithium-ion batteries, they're more expensive to manufacture and tend to break down due to the strength of the electrolytes when they stretch and compress during use. The solid-state cell now costs about 8 times as much to produce as a liquid lithium-ion battery, with the current crop of electric vehicles still costing more than the equivalent of fuel. Installing an EV with strong batteries can make a car more expensive. Costs are likely to fall between now and 2025, but not enough to make an ICE-free car with solid-state batteries work. According to Toyota, solid-state batteries costs will need to be less than $100 per kilowatt-hour in the future to compete with petrol engines, and it's clear that the decline in solid-state batteries is still low, a long journey. However, Toyota did not disclose the current cost of producing prototype products, but it's believed that with technological maturity and industrial growth rate, costs could be reduced after technological maturity. For this reason, Toyota will apply promising technology to hybrids first, as the batteries will be smaller and therefore will not have such a significant impact on the requested price. The company also sees hybrids as a solid-state battery test that charging and discharge cycles are particularly striking. Hybrids will represent a strong test for these next-generation batteries, which will eventually be installed on EVs if production costs are low enough. We're going to see the fruits of this strategy in the production 2023 Toyota bZ4X, a battery electric SUV that rides on the company's eTNGA platform and is the first of 15 BEVs that Toyota has promised to have on the market by 2025. Let's see what Toyota will offer with its new electric vehicle business. Only time can tell us. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.